Hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil. Discover, Learn and Grow. In this video, we'll be learning about Lean, right? 1 minute. Lean methodology, right? This video, we'll be learning about Lean methodology. Now it's perfect, guys. So Lean is nothing but it's a software development and product management project, not product, project management methodology focused on eliminating waste, maximizing value, and continuous improvement. Right? It is this methodology is also focused on this methodology is also focused on continuous improvement, maximizing value, and it is also focused on eliminating the waste resources or waste futures. It emphasizes delivering high quality products efficiency with minimal resources, right? So we will be this methodology focuses on delivering high quality products. It is quite intuitive. So see, I forgot to mention some things in this slide, but I'll tell you orally. So lean methodology will be working on the principle of PI. PI is nothing but a program increment. If you are writing any notes, you can write this. It will be working. Lean methodology will be working on the principle of PI. It will be following the model of PI model, program increment model. Program increment model is nothing but a one program increment model is equal to 4 sprints, right? We have learned about sprints in the Scrum, right? Each sprint will be around 2 to 4 weeks. One program increment of the lean methodology is equal to four sprints, right? So that is nothing but somewhere around 8 to 12 weeks. So that is nothing but 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. So it will be working on the model called PI model. And in this 4 sprints, right? In this 4 sprints, one PI is equal to 4 sprints. Now, in this 4 sprints, there will be three regular sprints and one sprint will be hardening sprint. I will be explaining you about hardening sprint too. So there will be three regular sprints in the overall 4 sprints of PI, and there will be one hardening sprint. Hardening sprint is nothing but only development team will be working in this sprint. In the three regular sprints, there will be design team, there will be product owner, there will be scrum master, there will be testing team as well as development team. In the first three regular sprints, but in the fourth sprint, that is nothing but a hardening sprint. Only development will be working rigorous in this sprint, in the last sprint. So yeah, so the agenda of PI, program increment, is like not to build multiple user stories as a Scrum, but to build the total future, right? In the Scrum sprints, what you will be building, you will be building particular user stories, but you will not be building one full future. But in the PI, that is nothing but program increment, you will be building one full future and you will be not concentrating on particular some multiple user stories. You will not at all concentrate on multiple user stories, but you will be concentrating on building one total future, one full future. So this is the agenda of PI, that is nothing but program increment, and the program increment planning call will be around 10 to 12 hours. Sometimes it takes a total day or sometimes it exceeds the day also. So yeah, in sprint planning, it will be taking not more than 1 to 2 hours. But why? Because in sprint planning, you will be doing planning only for particular user stories, right? But in a program increment, that is nothing but PI. From lean methodology, you will be doing the planning stage. Lean methodology, PA planning stage will be continuing around 10 to 12 hours. So why? Because you have to discuss everything about the future, right? So it will be around 10 to 12 hours. Sometimes it exceeds 12 hours and maybe 14 hours or 16 hours. It depends on the discussions. So this is about a lean methodology. And let's see some key principles of lean. But if you are writing the notes, please write the notes of PI and all. These are very important. Key principles of lean. It focuses on eliminating waste, removes unnecessary work, delays, and inefficiencies. Quite intuitive. Build quality in. Focus on error prevention and continuous testing. Okay. deliver faster, develop in small increments to provide a quick value. That is nothing but a one PI is nothing but a, for 2 months, right? You will be delivering in 2 months. Response people, respect people, sorry. Respect people, empower teams to make decisions and improve processes. In lean methodology, it will be like not up to down organization structure. Like there are two types of organization structures. Up to bottom organization structure and bottom to up organization structure. We will call it as with many names, up down and all. But up to bottom क्या होगा कि like the executives will be taking the decision, and the down people like the developers and those people design team will be executing the task. They have no flexibility for creativity. They have to do whatever the upper people or the executives say. But in down to up or bottom to top organization structure, you have the creativity. The developers, the design team will be also having some creativity, not some creativity. They can also exchange their ideas, and they can also say their ideas to build the product. So this is about that. Respect to people, empower teams to make decisions and improve processes. In lean methodology, we will be following down to up organization structure. Optimize the flow, improve the entire system, not just the individual parts. It's nothing but not just user stories, but you have to build the entire functionality, entire future. And next, defer decisions. Avoid making critical decisions too early. Stay flexible. So you have to make decisions while planning only. In that 10 to 16 hours of planning only before the start of a PI or lean methodology PI program increment. Next is continuous improvement. Regularly evaluate and define processes. So you will be here also. You will be taking the feedback, you will be collaborating with the customers and the clients, and then you will be making the improvements based on the feedback and insights and collaboration. Okay, this is all about lean methodology, guys. These are the methodologies. And I forgot to say something. Lean methodology is used for big projects, and Kanban is used for small projects. So if your budget is low, if there is no big funding, you will be following Kanban. That is the reason why I used to follow Kanban in my films while making my while making my films, while making my demo films. Kanban is used for low budget and what you can say limited budget, right? When the funding is not so big, but when the funding is big and the big for big projects, you will be using lean or Scrum methodologies. And these are the methodologies, guys. These are the major software methodologies, and there are numerous methodologies. There are numerous methodologies like what we can say spiral model, V model, extreme programming, RAD, as well as DevOps. But see, those are not so. Apart from DevOps, keep DevOps aside. We are not talking about DevOps. But let's talk about a spiral, V model, extreme programming, and all these things. These are something which are used rarely in the software industry. Mainly, they will be using Scrum. Scrum will be like 50% of the software companies will be using Scrum methodology, Agile Scrum methodology. Some use Kanban, some startups use Kanban, and some big companies use Lean methodology. So, based on the company, they will be using these methodologies. But V model, spiral model, and extreme programming and etc. methodologies are rarely used in software companies. So yeah, this is all about methodologies. And in the next, in the from the next videos, we will learn some more about business analysis and business analyst, and the work of business analyst. While the work of a business analyst in this methodologies is business analyst only. As I said you before, business analyst only will be writing the user stories and all those things. He will be acting as a product manager, and he will be writing the user stories. So yeah, bye guys.